how to delete PayPal account. Now, if you are ready to delete your PayPal account and you want to know how to get this done, just go ahead and watch me here. First things first, I want you to go ahead and click over or hover over here to your profile, and then you're going to go ahead and click the account settings. And then from here, you have the option there. It says account preferences. I want you to go ahead and click that one. And then for the account type, you have there an option that says close account. So you want to make sure that you click this one right here. And now I just want you to go ahead and try to take a look at this one. You can read this. It says here that closing your account is final and both your account history and reputation number will be lost. So if you want to proceed, just go ahead and click the delete option right here. And you can go ahead and choose between the following reasons here. You can choose up to 3. I'm going to try this one right here. Let's go ahead and try to be saying this one. And yeah, you can even leave a comment. Now in my case, I'm just going to click the continue button, click continue once again, continue this one, and basically try to click continue or confirm until it is done. And there you go. So now we have successfully deleted our PayPal account.